Listen, we want to take you to London, Ontario next. Prosecutors in the sexual assault trial of 5 former World Junior Hockey members are expected to cross-examine one of the accused players today, and that's Carter Hart. Hart, Cal Foote, Dylan Dubé, Alex Formenton, and Michael McLeod have all pleaded not guilty to charges of sexual assault. And for the latest from the trial, we are joined this morning from London by CTV's Nick Paparella. He's been covering this case. Nick, good morning.
Good morning, Anne-Marie.
Just set up the day for us. What did we hear, first of all, from Hart yesterday?
Well, yesterday was a big day. At the beginning of the day, we were expecting to hear from Crown Attorney Megan Cunningham, potentially a surprise witness. But then when the court got going, she basically said all the evidence is in for the Crown. Then Justice Maria Carrasilla turned to the defense, asked if they were going to call any evidence at all. David Humphrey, the lawyer for Michael McLeod, said no. And then Megan Savard, the lawyer for Carter Hart, called her client up, and he basically gave his side of the story. He testified in his own defense prior to this night. Remember, all the players were in town in London in June of 2018 attending that Hockey Canada Gala to celebrate their gold medal win that year. And Hart basically says prior to that night, he only drank on 3 prior occasions. There was an open bar at the gala, and then they hit 2 bars in downtown London. And then at the end of the night, he gets a text from Michael McLeod about a woman in his room who wants to have sex. He goes to the room. There is some sexual activity that takes place. And the key that his lawyer asks is, was there sexual contact? Hart says yes. And then she asks, was it consensual? And again, Hart says yes. So that is the key element in this case so far.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's always good to remind people that the accused do not have to testify, but Carter Hart chose to, which is why he's up for cross-examination today. What are we expecting to see when it comes to the trial today?
Well, you know, yesterday he was questioned by his own lawyer and by all the other defense lawyers. Today, Megan Cunningham, the Crown Attorney, is going to have some tough questioning for him. He's expected to be on the stand for most of the day. Cunningham told the court yesterday she's not going to take up the whole day, but most of the day. And then after that, it's up to Daniel Brown, who is the lawyer for Alex Formenton, to decide whether he is going to call any evidence in this case. He did ask Justice Carrasilla if he could have until Monday to decide.
Nick Paparella for us in London, Ontario this morning. Nick, thanks so much.
Take care.
If you like that video, make sure to subscribe to the Your Morning YouTube feed, where you can find all kinds of new content posted every weekday morning.